Hi, Scott Doing at MarineMax here in Lewisville, Texas. And we're going to take a look at one of my newer brokerage listings, a 2022 HARRIS SUNLINER 250 Sport. So the SUNLINER Sport is your standard SUNLINER with the addition of a folding water sports tower. This one happens to have two pairs of the upgraded JL tower cans, so really good audio system on board this one. This guy had both of these upgraded. They're probably $2,000 per pair, so not cheap. Really done well. Elevated helm, which is nice, allows you to sit up a little higher if you got a tall person sitting in front of you. This one also is going to have the flip-up table. So table will flip up, flip down, and get it out of your way when it's not in use, which is really nice. U-shaped seating up here in the front of the boat, as well as a bow filler cushion for up front, and oversized ski locker. This one also has the table mount for the front, so it's really nice. You can put this table up here in the front to to have it in between your big U-shaped seating. LED lighting in your cup holders and in your seat bases. There's also going to be a double USB port anywhere you see a pair of the cup holders. So there'll be a double there. There'll be one here. Two back here on the back of the boat also. This was in the SLDH floor plan, so dual helm captain seats, as well as the flip-flop backrest. So this seat is convertible. It can face like this when you're pulling kids on the tubes or skis, or it can also fold all the way down flat to make a full sun pad. There's also storage underneath all of the transom seating for you. This boat also has really nice ottoman that has a built-in cooler in it, done really well. Larger SIMRAD screen, so chart plotter, downscan sonar, forward-looking nav, all of your gauges are all going to get run through that, which is really nice. This one does have the larger engine on it, so 250 horsepower engine, along with the Mercury active trim, so automatic tilt and trim while you're underway, and a fully digital throttle, so no cable connecting your throttle to your engine. It's all done electronically, so done really well. Coming back here to the back, flip-up storage underneath the back seat, as well as a really nice built-in cooler under this side. There's also two additional transom speakers back here, as well as your plug for your battery tender on board, so you can just leave the boat plugged in wherever you store it. And there's also another transom remote control for your audio back here as well. So really nice boat. Probably $25,000 or so, less than what a new one is. So really good way to save some money. If you got any questions about this or any of the other pontoons or any of the other boats for that matter you see online, pick up the phone and give me a call. I'd love to talk to you. My cell number is the best way to reach me. That number is 301-501-7123. Thanks a lot. I'll talk to you soon.